Hello, everyone. My name is Nora. Today, I want to talk about my hobbies. I'll speak slowly and clearly for you. This is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. I have many hobbies. Do you know what a hobby is? A hobby is something I like to do in my free time. And sometimes hobbies help me meet new people too. Let me tell you about my first hobby. Reading. The house is quiet. It's the perfect time. I make a cup of tea and I open my book. I read simple novels, short stories, or travel magazines. It also gives me new ideas and beautiful dreams. Other times, I read to learn something useful. When I read, I forget about stress. I feel completely calm. It's wonderful. My second hobby is drawing. I really love it. I have a small sketchbook and a set of pencils. I like to draw flowers, houses, and people. Drawing is fun because I can be creative. When I draw, I focus on the lines and shapes. Sometimes my drawings are simple. Sometimes they are very detailed. But I don't worry if they are perfect. For me, drawing is a way to relax. It's also a way to express how I feel inside. Now, my third hobby, 10, listening to music. Music is with me almost every single day. I listen when I walk or when I clean my room. My favorite is soft pop music. But sometimes I choose classical music instead. It also gives me energy when I feel a little tired. Sometimes I sing along with the songs. My voice is not perfect for Hobby 8, but that's okay. I like to cook on weekends when I have more time. I try simple recipes. Pasta with vegetables, rice with chicken. But cooking is not only about the food. It's about creating something with love and care. When I cook, the smell fills the whole kitchen. And of course, Pal. Eating the food is also very nice. I also enjoy walking in the park near my home. I like to walk slowly and look up at the sky. Sometimes I walk with a friend, bro. That's nice too. It also gives me quiet time to just think. When I walk, I leave my phone behind. I just enjoy the moment. That's enough. My last hobby is writing in my journal. Every evening, before bed, I write a few sentences. Writing helps me understand myself better. It also helps me remember small, beautiful moments. When I read my old notes, I see how I've changed. When I cook, I listen to music at the same time. When I walk in the park, I bring a small notebook. Hobbies can be simple, Roger, but they make life rich and full. I believe everyone should have at least one hobby. It can be reading, drawing, gardening, anything you love. They help us relax after school or a long day. They make us feel alive and connected to the world. They don't cost much time, really, but they give so much. Every time I read, draw, or listen to music, I feel thankful. Thankful for all the beauty around me every day. Reading, drawing, listening to music, cooking, walking, and journaling. Now it's your turn. What are YOOR hobbies? Think about it. I'd really love to know. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next Easy English lesson. Bye for now.